This screwdriver set was recently sent to me so I could do this video. Let me go ahead and show you what you get out of the box and how I like to use this. This is the screwdriver set, so it does come with a ruler, cool beans. Here's kind of a basic manual that talks about some of the bits and some of the special screw heads. And in this pouch you got different things to help be a little bit more cautious or safe. Got a really cheap cutting blade. I've used these before. It's kind of flimsy. Plastic tool to help get into some tight spaces. Tweezers. Got a demagnetizer and magnetizer. This is nice and thin. Nice for prying things open. You've got your grounding cable if you like to use these. Also a cleaning fabric. So the main case is held together by Velcro. Everything unfolds. It looks like it did okay during shipping. We didn't lose anything, but a couple came out. So you do get all of this standard stuff, and it looks like you get a handful of the really unique bits as well. It's kind of a nice way to hold these. So you get a lot of these for prying things out. This is really thin. This is probably thinner than most that I've seen, and you will eat these up. So it's nice that it comes with a good chunk of these. Whoops. Not sure I'm a huge fan of how to put these away. That's mostly just because I can't do it. Alright, there we go. The main screwdriver is in pretty good. In fact, in so good that it broke off. Okay, let's see if we can get this out. Come on, dude. Oh, that goes back on. I imagine you probably should be putting it in this way instead. Yep, don't put this in. That's not smart. That's a much better way. Let's get a normal Phillips. I do like how you can kind of bend this out. All of the sizes are nicely listed. That is much appreciated. Let's take this out. Oh, wow. All right, so most screwdrivers I've used, this kind of pops into place magnetically. This one, you have to unscrew, then you can pop it in or out, then you screw it down. That's nice. That's really nice if you only use certain bits and you use it all the time. If you're constantly switching out bits, that is going to be super annoying. So for Phillips, works great. Feels good in the hand. This is nice rubber, nice and easy to grip on. Oh, I was just trying to pull this out so I could put it away, and I forgot that you have to take this off. I think, personally, I'm just going to leave it a little bit loose and just kind of push things in and out. And it's still not going anywhere, so that should be fine. But I'm not a huge fan of that design choice. AP5. Yeah, that's the one. So it does come with two AP5. That's nice. I'm going to push that in there. Perfect. And that gets in nice and snug. Good feel to that. Nice. Okay, so you do have an extender. Okay, so if you use the extender, this goes in magnetically. So that's kind of nice. I do IT for a living, and I do a lot of electronic product reviews. So I use screwdriver sets like this all the time. What I really like about this set is all the more common drivers or heads it has duplicates of. So if you do have a problem with one of the drivers or you strip it or something, then there's probably going to be a backup. Another cool thing about this is it has some heads that I've never seen before. Like, check this out. An angled head, like what even is that? I've never seen that ever, but it has plenty of heads. This is really cool, and I do like the pouch that it comes in. Most of my sets have the plastic casing. I feel like you can actually fit a lot more in this, so that's nice about that, and cool that all the extras come in their own pouch as well. So if you're thinking of getting a precision screwdriver set and you want one that does like everything, this definitely falls into that category. The only real negatives I can think about with this are just kind of personal preference. Some people might like plastic case more than this fabric case. And as I mentioned before, this is kind of weird how you have to unscrew it to put the driver in. But the more I use it, the more I'm okay with it, because if you do have it a little bit loose, then you can still put the driver in and it stays in there nice and snug. But if you want, you can secure it so it doesn't go anywhere. So despite it kind of annoying me, that's actually probably a better way to do that. I'm just not used to it yet. So those are kind of my thoughts. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.